Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making something quite simple. It's cheese naan bread. I've had quite a few requests for this. We're having a lot of people. So with the tandoor, I'm going to do it with the tandoor. I'll show you some naan bread styles you could do at home. And if you click on the sort of plain naan, you can see a home version. I'm just going to do a cheese naan, how we do it exactly in the restaurant, because people wonder how we get the cheese in there. So we've got, very simple, you just need cheese and the naan dough. I've shown you how to make the naan dough. That is on one of my videos. There should be a link below on my descriptions. Just click on that, it'll tell you exactly how to make the naan dough. So, quite simple. So you just need a clean surface with some self-raising flour. And then you just make a little palm sort of, little kind of dip in there. That's where you put your anything you stuff. So you've got your cheese in there, you would put your peshwari in there, keema. It's exactly the same method. You just get it like this and then you wrap it up so it's stuffed in there. Okay, so now that you've stuffed your naan, you just then flatten the dough so it's inside. So we've got the naan and then we're just going to roll it. What you want to do is roll it evenly so the naan cooks evenly. You don't want too much dough in one area, otherwise it's going to not cook in that area, and the bit that isn't even, sort of that's light, thin, that'll go burnt. So relatively I've just made it round and quite even. If you have a look at it, it's quite even in all areas. Right, and then you've got a sort of tablespoon of oil. Make sure there's no oil behind the naan, because it's not going to stick on the tandoor. So I've got the oil, and then I'm just using my palm to massage it, make it bigger. Then you've got your naan. We're just hitting the thumb and twisting it round to make it bigger. So the naan will just get bigger. So I'm just moving it round like this, hitting the back of my thumb, and that's just making it bigger. And then we're just going to slap it in the tandoor. This is the most skilled, most hardest bit. It's about 100 degrees, 150 degrees. Now with the naans, you want to make sure the sides are all in, all stuck on, so it doesn't fall off. That's it. So I've just hooked this on to the naan, and then I've just scraped the edges, and then it just comes off like this. Just going to put a bit of ghee, brush a little bit of ghee on the naan. So as you can see, the cheese has just melted inside. And there you have it, a cheese naan.